have great pleasure in this wonderful morning in welcoming all parents who have consented to manage their tight schedule to share every moment of this wonderful function with us. And also really happy to welcome our founder sir, Mr. Surendra Sitaula, Ma'am, Mrs. Subhadra Sitaula, and Principal Sir, Mr. Mohan Bhatta, teaching and non-teaching staff. Parents' Day is a measure of honor given by children to their parents to show their love and respect for them. It is a perfect gift of recognizing the educational and all the efforts that parents put in upbringing of these children. The support of the parents is considered to be very important in the growth and development of the children in both emotional and academic front. This day provides an excellent medium to maintain good communication between two generations and help in building the emotional and mental bond stronger. In today's celebration, our main heroes are our students and main guests are their parents. So I, Punam Supa, once again welcome their parents on behalf of entire Bagmati Boarding School with great pleasure and hope you will enjoy every aspect of this event till the end. Thank you.